Hello IG Garage family. Is your car struggling with rough idling, poor acceleration, or a check engine light with code P0024? If yes, don't ignore it. This could lead to serious engine performance issues if left unchecked. In this video, we'll cover what P0024 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. So stay tuned and watch till the end for complete details. What does P0024 mean? The P0024 code stands for Exhaust Camshaft Position Timing over Advanced Bank 2. This means the variable valve timing (VVT) system has advanced the exhaust camshaft beyond the expected limit on Bank 2. The engine control module (ECM) detects the issue and triggers this error code. Symptoms of P0024: check engine light on engine hesitation or rough idling, reduced acceleration and poor fuel efficiency, hard starting or engine stalling, ticking or knocking noise from the engine. Common causes of P0024: faulty VVT solenoid, also known as the oil control valve or OCV, dirty or low engine oil camshaft position sensor malfunction wiring, or connector issues ECU or timing chain problems. Where are the sensors located for P0024? First, the exhaust camshaft position actuator solenoid Bank 2. It's located on the valve cover near the exhaust camshaft. In V6 or V8 engines, Bank 2 is usually on the passenger side. Next, the camshaft position sensor or CMP for Bank 2. You'll find it near the camshaft gear or timing cover. It monitors camshaft movement and helps the ECU adjust timing. Finally, the crankshaft position sensor or CKP is located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, often on the engine block. Oh, and a tip: check your car's service manual for the exact sensor location specific to your model. First, check the engine oil. Dirty or low oil can cause VVT failure, so change the oil and filter if needed. Next, inspect the VVT solenoid or oil control valve. If it's clogged, clean or replace it. Then test the camshaft position sensor using an obd2 scanner to check sensor readings. Also check the wiring and connectors for any damaged or corroded wires. After fixing everything, clear the P0024 code and take a test drive. So that's everything you need to know about P0024, Exhaust Camshaft Position Timing over Advanced, Bank 2. If your car has this code, check your oil, VVT solenoid, camshaft sensor, and wiring connections. For more important fixes, watch these videos next. P0003, Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit Low, and P0201 Injector Circuit Malfunction, Cylinder 1. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.